Hello students, in our previous class we have studied about iron and steel industry. Today we will study about automobile industry, information technology and electronic industry. First is automobile industry. Automobiles provide vehicles for quick transport of goods, services and passenger. Trucks, buses, cars, motorcycles, scooters, three-wheeler and multi-utility vehicles are manufactured in India at various centers. Automobiles provide quick transport of goods, services and passengers. These are manufactured in different centers in our India. After liberalization, the word liberalization means the removal of restriction, the coming in of new and contemporary models stimulated the demand for vehicles in the market, which led to the healthy growth of the industry, including passenger cars, two and three wheelers. There was a healthy growth in industry. So the reason behind the healthy growth of industry is, the first reason is because of liberalization, means because of removal of restriction. Second is due to new and contemporary models. Third is foreign direct investment brought in new technology. Due to foreign direct investment, new technology came and aligned the industry with global developments. At present, there are 15 manufacturers of passenger cars and multi-utility vehicles, 9 of commercial vehicles and 14 of two and three wheelers. The industry is located around Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow and Coimbatore. Next is information technology and electronic industry. The electronic industry covers a wide range of products from transistor to sets to television, telephone, cellular telecom, pagers, telephone exchange, radars, computers and many other equipments required by telecommunication industry. So all the electronic devices like phones, computers, telephone, other equipments comes under are manufactured in electronic industry. Bengaluru has emerged as the electronic capital of India. Bengaluru is known as electronic capital of India because most of the electronic industries are located in Bengaluru. Other important centers for electronic goods are Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow and Coimbatore. By year 2010 to 11, STPI means Software Technology Park of India, have come up across 46 locations at different centers in India. However, the major industry concentration is at Bengaluru, Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune. Benefits of information technology is, a major impact of this industry has been on employment generation. So the first is, it increases employment generation. It provides jobs to many skilled people. It is encouraging to know that 30% of the people employed in this industries are women. So information technology play a very important role for the women section. This industry has been a major foreign exchange earner in the last 2 or 3 years because of its fast-growing business processes outsourcing BPO sector. The continuing growth in the hardware and software is the key success of IT industry.